Hello everyone. In this video, I will guide you how you can create an order confirmation in foreign currency. So first of all, you need to go to all modules. In case of export, you need to give a confirmation in foreign currency as because their INR is not dealt because the invoice and remaining documents will be created on the same. So how you can create the same on TranZact? You need to go to sales and purchase. Now, once you will come to sales and purchase, on your right hand side, you will see an option of create document. Click on this. Now, once you will come to the create document, you need to select the order confirmation. Then you need to select the buyer name. After that, on your right hand side, very top, please check there is an option of converting the currency. Select it. I want to make it in the USD dollar. So I will quickly select it. Then after I will put a title. So wall sales, deliver dispatch date I will define. Going below from which store. Now come below here. I need to select the item. Needle valve. So this is my price which got fetched from inventory. This is my rupee price. So what I will do, I will simply just go ahead and make the changes. Fill the quantity. Now please check. Going below, I can add additional item as well. Pricing type here, I can select default price, regular selling price, MRP, dealer price. Now go below here, I can select the term and condition, which is already saved in my settings, my bank details, email recipient, manage signature. This is all you can add. Here, extra charges is not available because in export transaction, GST or tax extra charge are not involved. So if there are any extra charge, you can fill them in the non-taxable extra charge, and here you can add the charges. Now, coming below here, all the details are there. So what next I need to do? I need to go ahead and save and send this particular OC. So click on save and send, and once you will click on save and send, please check this particular order confirmation is created in the US dollar. I hope this video will be helpful to you in order to go ahead and create an order confirmation in foreign currency. Have a good day ahead.